Afternoon, family. Salam, salam. Today I'm going to be talking about Ferenji eggs, which are foreign eggs, and local Habesha eggs. They're a lot tinier. They're free range and organic and get fed a plant-based diet. And the Ferenji eggs, which we thought were organic as well, is a chicken that is restricted and doesn't get fed properly. But to us, this egg tastes better than what we were experiencing in America, and we were buying organic eggs in America. This tastes a lot better, and we have not tasted this. So stay tuned. We're gonna scramble both and show you the yolks and go from there. Okay, so first I'm going to crack the Habesha egg. And again, keep in mind that these eggs are two different sizes. And the hand, it's harder. Okay, so that's a dark, rich yellow, normal looking egg, right? But it's a lot tinier. And then over here is the foreign egg that we've been eating since we've been here. The shell's a lot softer, but the yolk is a lot brighter. And we've noticed that since we've been here. Like, why is this bright? Is that normal or whatnot?
It's like pale.
Pale, yeah. So I'm just gonna crack the rest, and then I'm the worst cracker, as you can see. Another Habesha. All right, that one came out nice. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just to show you. Two different types. How would you describe these, babe?
This one looks more healthy than this one.
Yeah. All right, let's go for taste next. Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully they're telling the truth. We don't know.
True. That's Ethiopian police.
Yeah.
And then the state of emergency. So we saw. Okay. Yeah. I've been, like I said, I've been here for two other ones, two state of emergency that happened so far in the country.
All right, we lost audio for a little second, but we showed you how it was frying, how it scrambled, and now here we are. This egg scramble over here is the foreign egg.
Yeah, Ferenji egg.
And as you can see, I don't know if the light's doing you any justice, but this egg now is the Habesha, which is the local egg, free range. This is the like caged egg or treated bad egg, and we're gonna test it out. And we also made some samosas. And this is our breakfast. We'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, babe, so you got to try the Habesha and the foreign egg. Tell me what you thought about each egg and which one is your go-to now.
Okay, so the foreign egg was like, it just tastes like a regular egg. Like what you know to taste egg like scrambled eggs is what it tastes like. Excuse me. The Habesha egg, however, had more of like a yolky flavor. So like when you like boil eggs and you like, you know what like the yolk tastes like, or like if you're having like over easy eggs or something and you taste more of the yolk, that's what it tasted like. But it also tasted like more like dense, I guess you could say, like nutrient dense, but also like dense when you're eating it. Like it was like a heavier type egg. But if I had to choose between the two, I would go with the Habesha egg. It had like a better flavor to me. We didn't add any seasonings just besides like a little bit of salt to bring out the flavor, but I would go with Habesha eggs.
All right, thanks.
All right, Mr. Virgo. Which egg did you like the best?
To be honest, I like both because one taste I was used to, which is the foreign one, And the Habesha one, we're also used to, because in the States we make sure we buy like the top, we spend the top money we can on quality egg. We order from like small farmers and stuff. So if I was to choose, I would go with the Habesha egg, and especially they said that that's cheaper. So if the organic, free range, normal living chicken egg is cheaper, I'm gonna go with that one. It tastes a lot cleaner. And like Marilyn touched on, the foreign egg just tastes like what you know in America. But to me, it tastes a lot better, but it has similar flavor. But yeah, thanks for watching. Shout out to people who have subscribed and continue to support our channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, share with a family member. Bless up, people. Stay tuned.